ENT Media. Please subscribe.
Check the mic and make sure it's.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Guys, today's video close up on Instagram live, guys, and here she goes live on Instagram for fans. Like, she has a good time today for fans, and she shows up a product, and she also unboxes her gift on live, guys. Close up goes live on Instagram, guys, having time for her fans. She really have time for this live video. She really have time, and she here discuss some things with her fans on Instagram live, guys. In this video, she goes live this video few minutes ago, guys. So close up goes live on Instagram live. Please make sure you watch to the end. You really understand what we are saying here. Subscribe today is your first time. Share this video. If you have anything to say, drop it in the comment section. We'll get back to you. Have a nice day. Thanks.
Not your man shirt too.
Yeah, I think that's
Okay, this for the men. Not your man. And not your girl. Go on my website, y'all. Order y'all some shirts. Get all sub. Yes, baby, go get your shirt. Cause period. And the packaging is so pretty. And the first 25 orders come with a free candle. You didn't make it, babe?
I just went to the store and bought the chicken KFC, baby.
You got me fucked up. You could have called and asked me what else we needed. Cause we need just more than chicken.
What else you need?
What kind of chicken you get?
The whole thing?
You could have got two, cause Tati on the way.
For
And
real?
you know that bitch wanna eat.
Oh my gosh. You think we got any more? I got everything we need. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need for the stuff.
You.
What type of nigga I am? Let's see what type of nigga you need. What do you need?
So,
What do you need? Do.
I'm trying to think of what else I need.
I'm trying.
Y'all, I'm finna put my candles on my website too. If y'all want a candle, they smell so good and they so pretty. They not your girl candles, but every shirt that you order come with a not your girl candle. The first 25 people. Yeah, go get y'all shirts. We doing the orders right now. You know, this is my business partner. Her name is Money. Yeah, she's gonna be helping me do this. Babe, you gonna drink now?
Yep, there. Dream.
I gotta stop being so shy.
All this money.
I need to grow up.
Why you like to
I gotta stop being so shy. I need to grow up.
They smell so good. Dream, don't come up here with that crazy shit.
Not chewing on our charger. Can't go back in next year.
This smells so good.
I like that one. That one and that purple one.
How much it cost?
How much it cost? For you? 2,000.
2,000. That bitch been burned for 2,000 years.
No, I'm gonna probably put these candles up there for like
That's just
$10.
good.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Y'all want some candles?
10.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you 15 for that one. Can I light it up?
Yeah.
I'm for real.
You get all the candles. Y'all got a lot of candles though.
Oh, this one from New York. I like that one. I ain't never heard of this here. So like
Go on my website, y'all. Order
Well, I should take me out there and shoot the feet
Order
out
some
right
shirts and it come with a free candle. I got
here.
work
I shoot the
books.
feet out since I'm right here.
You know, stuff for the kids. I got like not your girl work books. They said do $20 a bed. But they so tiny.
Well, shit, y'all can't go up to the price when I already paid for it.
They said 10.
I'm just buying that bitch up. It smells good, man. First price. I'm back first count.
No, you need to go on the website and buy it. Go on my website and buy it.
E-commerce only.
Damn! See, I try to beat Kabir. She know me. You know what I'm trying to do, don't you? I'll tell you that.
All right, $20, but they so little. But we might get some big ones. I think we should get some big ones, and then we can do $20. So these gonna be the free ones.
Come on, they all log in and do it together. Let's go order some candles.
I'm excited. So
Let's go.
I'm finna make a box. I'm so glad they not cardboard, baby, because I do not fuck with cardboard. They like feel good. Okay, but the inside is cardboard. But I'm okay because I'm a businesswoman. My lip gloss on the way, y'all. Is y'all ready? Well, how much y'all think my lip gloss should be? Give me, Dreamy. Move, Dream. Go with your daddy. So how you do this? You don't know?
Yeah, that's the one I was
What are the instructions?
It's okay, so
I'm finna use my
this one go in first because it's gonna take.
I hate that.
No. And then you rock it in. Wait. Hold on. This one too.
Babe, you need to look because you really need to do all the boxes for you.
Alright, let me look.
This inside first. Oh.
I couldn't figure that out.
All right, well, you got like a lot of boxes to do because we got 19 orders so far.
Okay.
Alright. I love when you tell me what I need to do if I can do it. And
Now
just,
look at the boxes. They so cool. But y'all go on my website and order because, baby, I got y'all. I promise you I do. Every time something drop, you gotta know first day, $10 shirt. That's how we gonna do this. Mike, go on my website and order. Go on my website and order a shirt that say "Not Your Man" or else. So I put a little bit.
Give it like a little vibe.
Okay. So did you get the tissue paper?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, that's good.
So I ain't get purple because
I bet had these box stacked up like,
Okay.
had these bad boys stacked up like Papa John.
Yeah, you can stack them. You ready to do that? You like you somebody get a job. I got some pretty days. Y'all, let me tell y'all about how today I went to Zaxby's to order me some food. I went through the drive-thru. Next thing you know, I heard a motherfucker to myself. I'm ordering my food. I just heard a motherfucker to my, is this gloss? I wasn't even ordering, first of all. I just was talking to my friend, telling her what I want. So somebody said, is this gloss? So we looking at each other like, I didn't even say too much for them to even know that it was me. So I'm like, pull up, bitch, pull up. Because I don't like when people on weird shit. Y'all, why the fuck they done gave my boyfriend the motherfucking headset so he could take my order?
Also, like, I put recorded. I know how much you don't like nobody saying that like that. I said, give me the headphone, man. Give me the headphone.
I was distraught. I'm like,
I said, I know
pull
that.
off, Tati.
He said, bro, she didn't pull off. I called her phone, baby, that was me, baby. That was me, baby. Come here.
No.
He pulled out last. My nigga stupid.
Oh, that is so good.
Got that in.
So literally, we gon' y'all look at the candles. Y'all go.
these are the beans.
On the website, my candles not on the website yet. So if you order some right now, just tell me what color candle you want and I got you. But to me, you know I like purple. I'm a purple lady. But this gonna be so good. But this good, y'all. Go on my website. So which one she got? A small nacho girl.
Oh, you can't wait for me to do that. You don't like carb.
Yep. Small nacho girl.
Then that one probably already delivered.
I'm saying, well, this fish sauce, man.
Ooh, Pennsylvania.
It was some orders came in last night too. That's the ones I
Yeah, I see one.
Oh, yeah.
One over here. One over here. I think some of them over
So why you think we should do it just for the regular? And put them in there? Oh yeah, I don't use them when I be throwing my shirt.
Yeah, just fold it like that and make it fit in that box and then put the candle. You know. Oh yeah, let me get your product.
Oh yeah. I need to make some room though. But look, do we put what we gonna do the tissue paper? I think we should put the tissue paper and then put this on top.
Yeah. Tissue paper though.
Y'all, my lips are on the way. I like this color though. This is. Yeah, now we just gotta load up on a lot of red.
Red gonna be cute. We can do red boxes.
Yeah. You all said go ahead and start. Y'all go on my website and order some shirts. They gotta be perfect. Okay, bitch, you usually brush your teeth. She lives like literally 5 minutes away.
To the ones that ordered, thank you.
Yes, thank y'all to everybody that have ordered because what order we got? Maryland, Philly, New York, Louisiana, Beirut. I really appreciate y'all for supporting me. Only thing we forgot. It's okay.
Or is it too late?
They said the CD isn't working. DM me. They say my site ain't working. Hold on. Give your phone. Where your phone, baby? Can you on the website?
Yeah.
GlossUpOfficial.com. Did I type it right? Yeah, it's working, y'all. GlossUpOfficial.com. So you go on the website and then just shop.
It's working on my phone.
Wait, it's not working on her though. Oh, there you go.
Did it work?
What y'all talking about? It's not working. It is working. They said they want to load in my end. Try it again. Y'all just heard me.
I'm gonna make that call the technique.
Oh my life, I'm finna scream. I'm finna, I know Chad sleep. Y'all, but let me show y'all. Y'all, so good. The packaging, okay. Oh, I don't want to get nobody. Okay, so go order. Thank you, Bree. I love you. So, put this in here. Right?
Yeah, that's
And then put the,
and then just sprinkle that.
Right on top of this too.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this is so great. Y'all better go get y'all some Not Your Girl merch. Scissors. Looking at them. Go get y'all some Not Your Girl merch. Y'all be ordering merch from no South, but y'all be ordering merch from other people, baby. I make my merch myself at home. Period. Oh, isn't that yours? That's not yours? That's why I'm gonna get some chill.
Dream, you got like that damn pit bull.
She wanna be with her little ass. Baby, can you please go get some scissors?
Yep.
This one, Nikisha.
Chaotic, you order one for real? Go get your Nacho Man merch. I love y'all for real. If y'all fuck with me, I fuck with y'all and I appreciate y'all. Am I nervous? She said she, okay, I'm gonna get you a yellow candle. What I finna say? If y'all fuck with me, I fuck with y'all. I love y'all. I am gonna start having shirts in my shows. We gonna be selling shirts at the shows. Get you some Nacho Girl merch, cause period. So look, I put, wait, okay, this was the,
I think it's hers.
oh, so I put this on top too.
Mm-hmm. Did you already put it in there?
Mm-mm.
Oh. What order that?
The invoice.
What order that one is?
This the herb, the large airbrush.
Large numbers.
Oh yeah, they like this. Oh yeah, they look pretty right.
Need some old shit. You said that's the large airbrush one?
Mm-hmm.
But that's not your girl. But it might be it.
No, this that pink, the one that say not your girl. It said it said airbrush.
Airbrush, okay.
Where this one come from?
That one is gonna be with. Let me start it out. This
Yeah,
one.
we probably need to put them over there or something.
Yeah.
Together.
I seen the airbrush one. Oh, airbrush effect, but that's a 2X. Is
No,
that
it was a
one?
large.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready for that. I wonder was it this one? Who wrote this one?
I done ripped all of them. Oh well, let me go ahead and redo it then.
Oh
We
yeah,
just got signed
reprint it.
again.
Well, I'm gonna throw this
No
away.
problem.
Yeah, we need to put them together.
Airbrush, you said that's a large.
But yeah, y'all finna get off here. Go order y'all some merch. Thank y'all if y'all support me. I love y'all so much. This like just a little bit. This just a little of the beginning. My lip gloss finna drop. Every time I drop a single, it's gonna be shirts available. Just different stuff available for y'all. I'm gonna do like some fan packages for free. If I see that you order stuff constantly, probably the 5th order you get some for free. Probably. I think that's what we're gonna do. That'd be like.
I think it is.
And it's gonna be like some Don Julio or something, you know? Some teleport.
Baby Kiki.
Dream. You don't really think you're bad. I'm done. Go ahead. I ain't put it in there.
Yeah, I'm just making sure this is size. Yeah, they Kiki, Nikidra. She know her name. Yeah. She know it. Yeah.
Dream, come on, baby. Order number 1 complete. Look at it. I did it. Okay, y'all. Bye-bye.
ENT Media. Please subscribe.